Hi there, I'm Kathleen Mullen, the Process Improvement and Quality Assurance Director at Keymind, a division of Point. This is a multimedia contribution linked to my article, A Journey in Achieving and Maintaining CMMI Maturity Level 5 in a Small Organization, appearing in the IEEE Software Magazine September-October 2014 issue. Here I present to you a demo of a custom web-based tool called the Keymind Measurement Reporting Tool, or MRT for short. The MRT interfaces with our primary development tools such as JIRA, our issue tracking tool, and SVN, our source control repository. The MRT pulls data from JIRA and SVN and generates a variety of charts that allow us to better manage process and product performance at Keymind. The MRT provides several capabilities for producing a wide array of visualizations to understand and make decisions on the quality of Keymind JIRA data, our code peer review process, unit testing, architecture compliance, code smells, or in this case guide classes, defect prediction, and process control charts, the latter of which compares defects in production within and across our projects. I will go through 3 scenarios to demonstrate some of these capabilities. The MRT can be used to identify, for a particular project or set of projects, in which phase of the life cycle do we find the most defects. To answer this question, we go to the Defect Analysis tab, select the project, and select by detected in for the Defect Analysis drop-down menu. We opt to look at data from 2012 to the current date, in this case April 17, 2014. You can select the chart type. The pie chart is default. The resulting pie chart shows that for this particular project, 258 defects, or 78.4% of all project defects, were identified during internal systems testing. The MRT can also answer the question, what technique or methods finds the most defects? Again, from the Defect Analysis tab and using the same project, we select by tool method from the Defect Analysis drop-down menu. For that same time period, we see that manual testing found the most defects, 211, or 64.5% of all defects identified. The MRT can also show a project manager whether the number of defects is stable across all of the project's releases. In this case, we click on the Process Control tab at the far right and select the project and time frame, and then click to generate the chart showing defects across time for production releases. The average is 1.1 per production release. The chart shows an outlier with 10 defects for this project, but is still within 3 sigma of Keymind's Process Performance Baseline, or PPB. By the way, we use warning and attention control limits on both sides of the mean, or calculated average, 2 sigma and 3 sigma respectively, to assist with causal analysis. For this particular project selected, you can see that most of the releases have a number of defects in production that is below the project average. The MRT also helps us, particularly project managers, determine what they can do to reduce the number of defects in production for a planned version. In this case, we go to the Defect Prediction tab. The various knobs on the right are the inputs to the prediction and display a default value based on our performance across the organization. On the left, we see the output of the prediction. The chart in the lower left indicates the confidence level, in terms of percentage, of the predicted number of total defects in production. In this case, there's a 95% confidence that the total number of defects will be less than 13.67. As a project progresses, we'll have more information about the project. For example, if we adjust the number of guide classes from 23.96 to 5, the confidence level remains the same, but the predicted total defects will be less than 10.86. Thus, if we implement practices that ensure we can reduce the guide classes, we would expect to have fewer defects given our past experience. Thanks for listening. This is Kathleen Mullen at Keymind. If you have questions, please contact me at kmullen, K-M-U-L-L-E-N, @keymind.com.